Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to add Shopify color swatches in your collection page. So here, the first thing that you should do is you have to open any of your web browser and then go ahead and open your search bar and search for Shopify, and then you have to log into your Shopify store. So here, when you go to the product section, so I'm just going to create a sample product. Okay, so right here, and then I have to provide the name of this product and then the description, but I'm just going to make this brief, and then I'm going to upload here the different variants or the images of the product that we are going to sell. Okay, and then after that, just have to scroll down, and then right here on the variant section, we have to provide the variants of this product. So here the option name, so I'm just going to name this one as plain, and then for the option values we have black and maroon. Okay, so make sure to type out right here the name of your variant, so here, and then the option values. After that, we just have to click on done and then save this product because we are going to use that later on. Okay, and then if we can put the price, you just put it right here. As you can see, we don't have the color swatches for this product, so that's what we are going to do now. So just go here to the app sections at the bottom left, and then using the search bar, just have to search for color swatches. Okay, or color swatch, and you'd be able to see this application. So you just have to install this to your Shopify store. So click on the install option. That's right, and let me just close this tab. Okay, so click on the install option once again. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds, and then once the application is installed on your Shopify store, you'd be able to see this section. So fortunately, the color swatch has a free plan, so you can access this one, and click on continue at free, and then click on the continue at free once again, and then right here for the app embed, make sure to select your current theme or the live theme. Okay, and then just go to the theme editor, and we have to enable the color swatch to this app embeds. Okay, that's right, and then you just have to save it after that. Now let's go here to the app swatch settings. So here we can now customize the show and collection section, the display style, and then the buttons. So here when we go to the product groups, we'll be able to see here the product groups and then the appearance of our color swatch. So here are different appearance, so you just have to set up if what kind of appearance do you want to use. Okay, so here I am going to show you on how you can customize the appearance or how you can set it up. Okay, so here on the settings, we can also adjust some of the details for the color swatch. Now going to the appearance, right here on the product page, we have this shape, the circle, and then you can adjust the pixels, the spacing, the height, the width, and also the color. So right here at the right side, we have an option if we want to show image or colors only. So you just have to select which one best applies to your Shopify store. And after that, you will now have a color swatches on your Shopify collection. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.